pfSense. Interfaces. This is a list of interfaces on pfSense. In your local network, you have a file server, so how do you securely connect to pfSense for your local network? Currently, pfSense has 5 physical ports. One port is used as an outside interface, are also known as WAN. The remaining 4 physical ports are grouped into an interface called LAN. Bridge LAN. LAN. To dedicate a port to the file server, I remove one physical port from the LAN interface. In this case, I remove port 5 from the LAN interface. Port 5 will be assigned to an interface called DMZ. The file server connects to pfSense via the DMZ interface. DMZ. FTP. Remove port 5 from the LAN interface. Interfaces. Bridges. Member interfaces. Port 2, Port 3, and Port 4. Skip Port 5. Next, I set the gateway address for the DMZ interface. You must ensure this interface is enabled. IPv4 configuration type. IPv4. IPv4 address. Enter gateway address. 24. Save. Apply changes. DMZ gateway. DMZ gateway. 172.20.17.1. FTP IP address. 172.20.17.10. Rename interface. DMZ. Save. Apply changes. Interfaces. DMZ. To secure your local network, block traffic from the file server to the LAN. Block traffic from DMZ to LAN. Block. Follow these steps. Firewall. Rules. DMZ. Add. Block. Interface. DMZ. IPv4. Any. Source. DMZ subnets. Destination. LAN subnets. Save. Apply changes. Complete blocking traffic from DMZ subnets to LAN subnets. Next, I allow connections to the file server from the Internet. 1. Internet. Internet to WAN. WAN to DMZ. DMZ to file server. from internet to server file. Allow. Allow. Follow these steps. Firewall. Net. Port forward. Interface. 1. IPv4. TCP and UDP. Destination. 1 address. Destination port range. FTP. Redirect target IP. File server IP address. 172.20.17.10. Redirect target port. FTP. Filter rule association. Add associated filter rule. Save. Apply changes. These are the steps to set up a dedicated port for the file server on pfSense. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck. Allow traffic from the internet to the file server via port 21. Save.